It was the Victorians who firmly established the tradition of gift-giving at Christmas. But what were they sending each other in the post? And what impact did this have on the postal system? Parcel post was first introduced by the post office in 1883, and it wasn't long before all sorts of weird and wonderful things were being dispatched. This cartoon is of the popular Postmaster General Mr. Fawcett, who introduced a fixed charge for sending parcels irrespective of distance. This new influx of parcels brought about all sorts of challenges for postal workers. The change was also responsible for introducing the term postmen for the very first time. Previously, workers had been known as letter carriers. This public notice tells us more about the challenges faced by postal workers, caused by this new influx of parcels. It asks for gifts like holly, mistletoe, oysters, puddings and toys to be packed securely to avoid damage. There was even specific guidance on carefully packaging and sending butter, game and fish. Items of food were popular packages for Victorians to send each other in the post at Christmas. In 1891, the Daily Graphic reported that the number of parcels containing puddings alone would have filled 40,000 post office baskets. And in 1889, the Times reported that an estimated 100,000 of the parcels sent during the Christmas season were either turkeys, fowl or game, a trend that continued at least into the 1960s. The post office tackled the mountain of Christmas mail by asking people to post early and pack carefully. These campaigns continue every year and have been complemented by a variety of graphic design and illustration styles. This includes artwork by well-known designers such as Craber, Jan Lewitt and George Him. In 2020, Royal Mail reported that revenue from parcels overtook letters for the first time ever, with new innovations on the way to process this change.